Heads, how you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in today's video, we got the updates and recaps. We're going to start off with the updates.
Yes.
So as you know, we posted the shock drop was happening yesterday, today the 14th of November at 2:23, the year of the MJ. Those Jordan 11 gratitude, aka DMPs, did shock drop yesterday. Me and my sneakerhead bro, we was ready for that. We did let y'all know ahead of time. So hopefully you was able to cop. Let us know in the comments. Was you able to cop? As for me, I was able to cop my size, so I'm very excited about that. So stay tuned for unboxing when those come in. Looks like Nike already shipped those out. Possibly they could be here as early as tomorrow. So we'll have to wait and see though. So moving on to the recaps. What we got, my brother?
Are still available, and then for those baby kids or those little ones, the juniors, 4 through 6 are still available, and all this can be found on Nike.com. What's
Yes,
next,
sir.
my brother?
Moving on, the next day, on November 11th, Veterans Day. Salute to all veterans. So those Jordan 11 Neapolitans did come out, and they did sell out on Nike.com. However, some of the smaller sizes are still forming under retail right now. So if you want those, you can go ahead and check those out at your resale online shop, such as eBay, StockX, Go. So go on and scoop them up if you want those. I know a lot of people saving their money for those Jordan 11 gratitudes. But I'm gratitude that I got mine. I know it's kind of hard at the end of the holiday season because that's when the best stuff comes out from November to December. And a lot of us, we have to make the decision on which ones we want more than others because, Jordan 11 will be costing $230, $248 with tax. So that is very high, but hopefully you will be able to hit these for retail if you want them.
Content like this, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.